Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. This will be about how to replace the suspension strut bearing supports. So this thing on top of the suspension. So what you're gonna need is the spring compressors. I think that's how they're called, and that's pretty much it. And of course the right sockets for the all bolts and things. For this one, in my case, I'm using the 21 millimeter wrench, but this is not the best one what to use, because there is the wrench with the ratchet that will make your job faster. In my case, I'm using this one, so it takes a while until you compress the spring. And yeah, I'm not taking out all suspension. All I'm doing just took the tire off and put the spring compressors on. I will compress them down, compress down the spring, open the top bolt of the suspension, and then I will open the other three bolts on the top, which holds the suspension strut support. So yeah, as you can see, it's taking. Okay, let's try it. Open the top bolt. Yeah, I already prepared. I removed the plastic lip. It's just take it out and that's it. And there is the bolt, the nut for I think 22 millimeters. So in my case, I'm using been already released. Luckily, in my case, it wasn't too tight. Yeah, when you're gonna get release the central bolt, the suspension will literally go down. I think it's already released. Yeah, looks properly is open. So now you need a 30 millimeter socket to open these three bolts. Yeah, this one probably is better to open with the wrench or spanner. Just then. It's not easy to get it, so it's not going kind of place. done. Now let's try with the leg. I'll try to push it down. So yeah, I get it down. But apparently I need to squeeze more the spring. Or otherwise I have to open this thing, but remove them anti-roll supports or whatever it called. To get it off. Here it is, the previous one. So yeah, I used you can use some bar or something to push the anti-roll bar down, otherwise it will be a big pain in the ass to get them off. So it's really, it's not in that bad condition. There is some movement, but not much. But anyway, it's already off, so. Let's get the new one out. This one. So the bolt I will put from the top on. In this case, first, I'm not gonna put straight on the suspension. I'm gonna put this bearing back in position like that. And put the nuts on. Now you have to guide the suspension back in position. Slipped off. Okay, here we go. Can't see much in there now. Yeah, we get it. done, but I think it's upside down. Let's take it out. Should we go this way? Yeah, it's like that. Okay, let's take the socket. There we go. It's about halfway done. Let's start this one up. As you can see, it actually is not that complicated. Of course, if you've never done that before, something similar, or you are not friendly with the tools, then better don't do it on your own, because it's risky, especially with the spring compressors. They can slip and you can injure yourself. That would be the better with the spanner, but I am too lazy to go to get spanners. So. So all you have to do is just release the spring compressors. Put it, when it's released, then of course make sure you tighten up the top belt for the suspension. The top bolt for suspension. Okay, I'm not gonna make this video longer, so thanks for the watching. I hope you learned something or understand how to change it, and see you in the next videos. Bye.